India, or rather I should say incredible India. It's not that India has now become incredible. India has been incredible since thousands of centuries ago. So hello friends, I Abhilash welcome you all in today's video which is exploring ancient India. So let's begin. The first fact is about India's location. India was once an island and a part of Antarctica. Hard to believe, huh? Around 50 million years ago, it connected with Asian continental plates forming the Himalayas. The second fact is related to the social facts of ancient India. The term India is derived from the name Indus, that is Indus Valley Civilization, which is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. Even it was the most advanced civilization in terms of infrastructure, town planning, water harvesting, etc. It was considered the most widespread civilization when compared to the ancient Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization. The interesting thing is that the slavery did not exist in the ancient India. Megasthenes, an ancient Greek historian, had stated that all Indians were free, which was later confirmed by Arrian, another Greek historian. Did you know about Takshila, which was the world's first university which attracted many students from all over the world? And this brings to my second fact, that is education. Everybody knows that Aryabhatta, a great mathematician, invented the number 0. But very few of us know that ancient India was so advanced in science and mathematics that algebra, trigonometry and calculus all were introduced by India, and later in the 11th century quadratic equation was put forward by Sridhar Acharya. Even in medical field, ancient India was quite ahead of its time. The earliest system of medicine known to the modern day humans is Ayurveda, which was mainly developed by Charak, a great Indian physician. Sushrut, a physician of ancient India, conducted various complicated medical procedures like surgeries to rectify cataract, which we also called motiabind, surgery to remove the kidney stones, rectifying fractures, and even brain surgeries. Each and every surgical procedure is mentioned in the ancient Indian text naming Sushrut Samhita. Even the use of anesthesia was very common in ancient India. The book clearly shows the use of wine and cannabis incense before surgical procedures. Now coming to some astronomical facts, Vedic texts written in 6th century have enough evidence to prove that ancient Indians had a profound knowledge on our solar system. Even the American mathematician Richard L. Thompson, in his book Mysteries of the Sacred Universe, had clearly explained ancient Indians were the masters of astronomical studies. Ancient India had enough knowledge of solar and lunar eclipses. They even had a method to calculate the different time period of the eclipses. Even the heliocentric model of our solar system is explained in several ancient Indian texts. Now let's have some general facts. Did you know that chess was invented by the ancient Indians? It was a very popular game as several ancient paintings depict the game being played. Shampoo was initially introduced by ancient Indians. It was the combination of different herbs and cleansing agents. Even the word shampoo is derived from the word champu, meaning head massage. Now coming to the last fact, ancient Indians had a profound knowledge on the sexual behavior of humans too. An ancient text known as Kama Sutra gives detailed information on the philosophy of love, which was written around 400 BC. So that's being a wrap on the video. If you like this video, then do give a thumbs up and subscribe for further interesting content. Any complaints or any suggestions, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.